Why do we just accept that getting older automatically means getting weaker? Seriously, what's up, guys? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are diving into a science-backed protocol to completely shatter the myth of aging and help you reclaim your vitality. Look, I get it. There's this real fear that creeps in as the years go by, right? The fear of losing your independence, of struggling to carry a simple bag of groceries, or, worst case scenario, taking a bad fall and not being able to get back up. It's a heavy thought. But listen, there is massive hope. What if I told you the solution isn't some expensive magic pill, but a very specific, somewhat hidden routine? We're going to uncover the whole thing right at the end of this. Let's jump straight in and change the narrative today.
So, right off the bat, why do we accept weakness as an inevitable part of getting older? We see it all around us, right? Guys hit their 60s and they just kind of throw in the towel thinking it's game over for their strength. We start to dread that day when getting off the floor becomes a chore, which triggers this really deep-seated anxiety about having to rely on other people for basic, everyday tasks. We buy into the idea that time is just inevitably stealing our power. But what if that entire narrative is completely scientifically wrong?
We buy into this massive myth that aging equals an unavoidable, inevitable decline. But science proves that muscle regeneration is totally possible at any stage of life. Absolutely any stage. The real culprit here isn't the number of candles on your birthday cake, man. It's simply a lack of the right biological stimulus. And there is so much hope in that fact. Your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for the right signals. So today, we're going to tease out exactly what that specific routine is to completely reverse this trend.
Now, it turns out there's an actual scientific name for our true villain here, sarcopenia. Basically, it's the natural loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that happens as we age. Sounds pretty intimidating, doesn't it? But validating this struggle with absolute scientific clarity, that's step one. Because we aren't fighting some unbeatable, invisible monster. No, we're fighting a known biological process that we can actually reverse with the arsenal of movements we're about to unpack.
Think about how this actually shows up in day-to-day life. Is your back aching just from sitting on the couch watching a game? Or maybe you get that annoying strain when you're hauling a duffel bag to the car. If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are definitely not alone. This isn't just about trying to look good at the beach anymore. This is about everyday survival and comfort. It's incredibly frustrating. So, let's fix it.
Section 1. Building your iron core.
We are starting with the absolute ultimate foundational shield for your spine, the plank. And hey, this isn't just for 20-something fitness influencers on the internet. This is ground zero for active aging. A strong core is literally the armor that prevents that nagging back pain we just talked about. And here's your progression story. Step 1, the wall plank. You just stand facing a wall, resting your forearms right at chest height. Super easy, right? Step 2, once you've got that dialed in, take it down to the sofa. And finally, step 3, eventually you hit the traditional floor plank. You start exactly where you are today. You don't have to jump straight to the floor on day one. You gradually adapt, and that's exactly how you forge that iron core safely.
So what are the hard numbers we're aiming for here? We want to hit 3 to 4 sets, holding that plank for 30 to 60 seconds. And I want you to think of this not just as a workout, but as a direct, tangible investment in your long-term independence. Hitting these exact metrics tells your body it is time to build serious armor around your spine.
Now imagine struggling to yank open a heavy commercial door or lug in those heavy groceries from the car. That loss of pulling power, it makes you feel helpless and weak in situations where you used to be undeniably strong. But again, guys, it's just a lack of the right stimulus. We are going to get that pulling power back right now.
Section 2. Upper body pulling power.
This is the specific targeted movement to get back your ability to toss heavy things around like it's absolutely nothing. The row. Strengthening your back and your arms prevents those simple daily tasks from becoming massive hurdles. And the best part, it's totally accessible. Step 1. Grab some common household items, water bottles, or a couple of heavy bags of rice from the pantry. Lean forward slightly and just pull them to your abdomen. Step 2. As you get stronger, progress to dumbbells. And step 3. Level up to resistance bands. You can literally start this right now, today, in your kitchen. Slowly leveling up the load is what forces that muscle regeneration to really kick into high gear.
To see real, undeniable results, your goal is 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And why does this matter? Well, because it's not just about arm strength. Doing this is going to massively improve your postural control. It literally pulls those rounded shoulders back, opens up your chest, and tells your body you mean business. Okay, let's get real for a second here. Getting up off the floor shouldn't feel like a wrestling match. This hits hard on that primal fear we talked about right at the start. Taking a tumble and not having the pushing power to get yourself back up independently, that is a scary thought for anyone. But we've got a specific tool to completely crush that fear.
Section 3. Essential pushing and pressing.
We are framing the classic push-up completely differently today. We're not treating this as some gym bro move, but as a crucial, joint-protecting, life-saving skill that keeps your upper body ready for whatever life throws at it. And we do it safely, step by step. Step 1, wall push-ups. Step 2, incline push-ups using a sturdy table or the couch. Step 3, modified on your knees. And finally, step 4, the traditional floor push-up. Let me assure you, this step-by-step approach builds massive strength, but way more importantly, it keeps your older joints completely safe from unnecessary strain. You don't just jump straight to the floor, you earn it safely.
Section 4. Powering your lower engine.
We're talking glute bridges and squats here. This is the absolute powerhouse engine that keeps you grounded, balanced, and moving smoothly through life. Your glutes and your lower back, they are the absolute foundation of your mobility. Here's the progression to nail it. Step 1, chair-assisted squats. You just slowly lower yourself until you touch the seat, then stand right back up. Simple. Step 2, freestanding squats. Step 3, weighted squats. Honestly, guys, mastering the squatting progression gives you your life back. It's having the independence to climb a flight of stairs without getting winded and to conquer daily tasks like getting out of a low chair with zero hesitation.
Now, what about this? Are you worried about losing your balance or risking a bad fall? That is a very real, very valid danger. A bad fall can change literally everything in an instant. So we have to set up the final physical defense mechanisms for your lower legs to keep you rock solid and totally stable on your feet.
Section 5. Balance and vitality.
Consider this your ultimate insurance policy for circulation and endurance. If your heart and calves are strong, your whole system just runs better. And the simplicity of getting started is the key here. Step 1. Seated heel raises. You literally just lift your heels while sitting in a chair to engage those calves. Step 2. Stand up and practice a one-leg balance. Step 3. Add 15 to 20 minutes of daily walking, dancing, or running. Starting seated and just adding that 15 minutes of cardio keeps your heart strong, improves your circulation, and keeps the engine running smooth. Whatever you do, do not ignore those calves.
Section 6. The ultimate 28-day protocol. Remember that hidden solution we teased at the very beginning of this explainer? Well, here it is. Because a random, unstructured movement, it just doesn't cut it. Going for a leisurely walk once a week isn't going to reverse muscle loss or bulletproof your body. Your body only adapts to what you do repeatedly with a structured plan. If you want true vitality, you need a roadmap. So check out the pinned comment for the full 28-day guide specifically designed for men to reclaim their bodies. That right there is the secret sauce. Consistent, structured progression over time.
Small daily actions create big transformations. I'm sharing this quote with you because it is the absolute truth. You really don't have to do it all at once. Picking just one single exercise we talked about today is the start of your rebellion against weakness. That is exactly how you take your power back, day by day.
Which brings me to my final, provocative challenge for you guys. Will you let time take your strength, or will you take action today? The choice is entirely yours, man. Sound off in the comments below and tell me, which of these moves was the hardest or most intimidating for you? Let's talk about it. Start right there. Pick one move and absolutely conquer it. And make sure you subscribe for more science-backed strategies to stay stronger than you ever thought possible. Keep pushing, guys, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.